Coco, how's the new nest?
It looks great, Snowy.
Yay!
Later that night,
We're back home in our new nest, and it's time for your favorite thing, a bedtime story. You ready? Oh, good. Here we go. Once upon a time, there was a little bear who lived in a nest with a bird. One day, a big hurricane wind came and blew the nest all away. They were sad. Their friends saw that they were sad and built them a brand new nest with sticks and mud. And the bear and the bird lived happily ever after. You like that? Me too. Good night.
Sesame Street was brought to you today by the letter U and by the number 19. Sleep tight.